San Felipe is a fourth-class municipality found in the central part of Zambales and bounded on the west by the vast South China Sea. Being located in the coastal region of Zambales, the town of San Felipe is known for its marvelous waterfalls, its vast seashore, and beautiful beaches. But aside from the beautiful, pristine waters that San Felipe has to offer, there are more interesting things yet to be discovered in this little town. Just like any other province, the local government unit of San Felipe is determined to effectively disseminate and sustain its key programs down to the barangay and purok levels and give due recognition to their efforts. Thus, the monthly search for the Galing Barangay Galing Purok was created.
The Galing Barangay Galing Purok is a monthly search. We search for the best barangay among the 11 barangays. We search for top 3 puroks among the so many puroks within the municipality. So the monthly search is, number 1, it's about a competition. But number 2, more than anything else, it's about checking, monitoring whether these programs are properly cascaded from the national, provincial, most especially from our level, to the beneficiaries.
With the presence of the Galing Barangay Galing Purok, barangay officials strive more in delivering efficient and effective public services throughout their constituents.
So, yung program ng LGU na Galing Barangay Galing Purok, ito ay contest sa kalinisan, sa greening, at syempre sa waste segregation ng basura. At doon nakakaroon ng papremyo yung mananalong barangay at purok. So aside from sa barangay, meron ding mananalo na purok, 3 purok sa every category. So yung impact nito is maganda kasi unang-una natututo yung mga kabarangayan, yung nasa barangay, kung paano mag-segregate ng basura, yung una. Then yung pagtatanim ng mga gulay sa mga bakanting lote, yun ay ginagawa na rin nilang kabuhayan. Yun po yung isang naging impact. At syempre, nami-maintain yung kalinisan ng barangay at yung kaayusan ng barangay mismo.
Under the Galing Barangay Galing Purok program is the Green Factory Project of every barangay. The Green Factory Project aims to eradicate malnutrition and make the community disaster resilient. But aside from creating an avenue for an active citizen participation through the Galing Barangay Galing Purok program, San Felipe also focuses on providing health services to every San Filipeñan. This goal drove the Rural Health Unit to come up with a health and treatment drive, or the Hatid Kalusugan program, a medical mission that not only provides medical consultations and medicine, but also promotes a holistic approach on health to every barangay and sitio.
Again, Hatid Kalusugan is delivering health services. It's an acronym again for Health and Treatment Innovation Drive. It's a program of making health services accessible as much as possible to all our people.
Actually, ma'am, yung Hatid Kalusugan, kinakandak po namin yan sa lahat ng 11 barangays dito sa amin sa San Felipe. Actually po yan, we are conducting monthly per schedule by its barangay. Tapos, hinahatid po namin yung mga program namin dito sa Rural Health Unit, gaya ng consultation ng patient, case findings with the TB patient with 2 weeks cough, tapos expanded program of immunization, malaria, tapos yung HIV, STI, at saka ngayon, yung ano namin ngayon sa family planning.
Kasi po noon, hindi na pupuntahan po noon yung mga remote areas ko. Pero nagkaroon na kami ng campaign na ipahatid sa mga malalayong lugar. Kaya po na ipahatid namin through sa mga BHW po, na sila po yung lumalakad, kasama rin po kami na pumupunta at ipahatid sa kanila, ipagbigay alam sa kanila na ang programa ng ating Butihing Ina ng Bayang San Felipe na maganda, lahat na po ng serbisyo na kinakailangan ng may sakit, nandyan na po yung programa.
Sa activities ng Farmers Day, dito nagkakatipon-tipon yung mga farmers upang pag-usapan ang mga pakakatulong at kagaganda pa ng mga pananim, at dito rin maraming naibibigay na benepisyo dahil Ang aming bayan ng San Felipe namimigay ng mga libreng binhi, mga subsidiya sa mga abono at pamimigay sa mga Farmers Association para makaabil ng mga programa tulad ng mga traktora, mga combine harvester, mga shallow tube wells at mga papang benepisyo tulad ng mga fingerlings, mga life jackets, mga payaw mula sa mga magsasaka natin na mandaragat at fish landing, tapos pagtatayo ng mga protected na kuwan tulad ng payaw na binabantayan ng mga kapwa natin mangingisda at mga pagtulong at pagbibigay ng mga livelihood sa mga magsasaka, mga maggugulay at mga fish vendor natin para lalo nilang mapagbuti ang kanilang pamumuhay at makapagsuporta sa pamilya upang lalong maiangat yung antas ng pamumuhay ng bawat mamamayan ng kanilang nasasakupan sa barangay man o sa mismong pamayanan ng buong San Felipe.
Another focus of the LGU of San Felipe is disaster preparedness. The Disaster Risk Reduction Office, together with the barangay officials, initiates various activities to keep the people well informed on disasters and to have easier access on public services.
Kung mapapansin ninyo ang paligid ng bayan ng San Felipe, ay marami kayong makikitang nakapost na warning advocacy board na dapat gawin ng mamamayan, lalong-lalo na pag may dumarating na sakuna tulad ng bagyo. Meron kasing napakagandang programa ang aming mayor, si Attorney Caroline Pariñas, na kung saan nakapaloob na dito lahat ng programa ng lokal at national government. Tawag namin dito yung Galing Barangay, Galing Pook, na kung saan nandun na yung social protection, environmental management, solid waste management, disaster preparedness as well.
Ang Galing Purok, Galing Barangay program ng aming munisipyo, it's a culmination of all the local and national programs ng ating bansa, ng Bayang San Felipe. So, at may mga programa po doon na pang DOH, programang pangkalinisan, syempre, sa DRRM, nakapaloob din po yon, sa livelihood, andun din po lahat-lahat ng mga programang yon. So parang Galing Purok and Galing Barangay is masasabi kong mother of all programs namin dito.
The LGU also came up with a local hotline called the Calamity Local Lines, or Call San Felipe.
Call San Felipe is our own version of 911, na kung saan lahat po ng hotline numbers ng San Felipe is nakapaloob doon. Meron pong number po doon ng kapitan na pwedeng kontakin in times of disaster or ng sakuna. At meron pong hotline yung may hawak nung, kasi po lahat po ng barangay is may multicab. So that multicab serves as an ambulance po sa bawat barangay. So, yun po, may mga numbers po na nakalagay doon. Tapos nakapaloob din po yung number po doon ng PNP, syempre, ng TMG, ng FAR, ng Office of the Mayor, and syempre yung pong DRRM office.
All these programs are being evaluated by the council in order for the barangays and puroks to win the Galing Barangay, Galing Purok. This monthly search leads to a more involved and more organized community. Truly, these programs had molded the people of San Felipe to be more active and more competent in the programs forwarded by their LGU. With all these efforts in raising the standards of leadership for San Felipe, Mayor Caroline Pariñas only wanted to leave a lasting legacy for the people and the LGU for the coming years.
When a leader not only delivers physical, not only delivers social services, but also is able to bring out the best in the people, have encouraged people to work hand in hand with government proactively. When you have developed your people and their mindset insofar as demanding from leaders capabilities, knowledge, the leaders will also respond. Ito yung hinahanap ng tao, kailangan sumabay ako. And with that, hindi mahihinto yung pag-usad ng community. San Filipinos deserve a leader that is mapagmalasakit and highly result-oriented in terms of transformation and in terms of community development. Yung kaya niyang baguhin, hubugin, ayusin yung komunidad na sa pamamaraan na mapagmalasakit at nakakapagtrabaho kasama yung community. Yun siguro yung kind of legacy na sana maalala nila at hahanapin nila palagi. In San Felipe, experience our food, faces, and places and see for yourself why we are called the home of the most caring people of Zambales. As our tourism tagline goes,
Tara na sa San Felipe.
Tara na, San Felipe.
Tara na sa San Felipe.
San Felipe, tara na!
San Felipe, tara na!
Tara na sa San Felipe!
Magsaya, magsama-sama, San Felipe, tara!
Sun and Fun, visit San Felipe. Magsaya, magsama-sama, San Felipe, tara na!